Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and know if someone is online on Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's just go ahead and open up our Instagram application that we have right here. And if I go ahead and browse through the message section that I have, so if a user has this green color right beside their profile icon, it means that that user is currently online. As you could go ahead and see right now, this user is currently active now. So in order to see these users if they are online, you could just go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And once inside, you want to go ahead and click on the three lines that we have, which is at the upper right corner of your screen. And once inside, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the section how others can interact with you. Now inside this section, you could just go ahead and choose the first option that we have, which is messages and story replies. And once inside, you want to go ahead and click on the show activity status. Make sure that both of this setting is enabled. Show activity status allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. Now, if this is enabled, you cannot go ahead and see if a user is online on Instagram. So make sure that this option is enabled. And we also have the second option right here, which is show when you're active together. Allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you're both active in the same chat. So just go ahead and enable both of this option, and in that way you will be able to see if someone is online on his Instagram. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.